Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing the same shirt as my last video. It's okay, or my video next. It's okay, you'll get over it. Okay, I'm doing 2 videos right now because I ain't got nothing else to do. Boom. Haven't seen my last video or you haven't seen my next video, I have no idea how the schedule is gonna go up. I got accepted to school, so one thing that I'm going to be doing is shopping for school. And what else would be great about shopping for school other than taking a Sephora, yes, a Sephora shopping spree, and also Ulta. Wow, revolutionary. So I bought a whole lot of stuff that's skincare based and also makeup based. So we're gonna start with Sephora first since it's already in my hand. What I got is from Fresh. I got the Sugar Face Polish and I've already used it. It's their natural exfoliant. It has like all natural stuff in it, you know, that's how the name says. I like it. When I used it, it was kind of rough on my skin, not going to lie. It is pretty rough, but when you rinse it off, your skin is just silky. I have no idea what they're putting in it to make it so soft and silky, but it does. Does it get all dead skin off of it that I need? No, but you know, progress. Next thing that I got is from Clinique, and I got their makeup wipes. Come on, focus. Yeah, I got their fake makeup wipes. So what I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. I love this packaging. Don't know if it's the right color or not. I got 355 in, because I'm usually neutral tone when it comes to makeup, neutral and cool, so I got that when I looked at it. But you know, since quarantine and corona, you can't touch the testers, or they took away the testers, so you kind of have to guess everything. Then I bought my first thing from Milk Cosmetics. I bought their matcha detoxifying face mask. Yes, that is what I bought. Another thing that I bought from Fresh is their toner. Their deep hydration facial toner with rose fruit extract. Removes impurities and softens. And it obviously is Fresh. Fresh is so extra. I love it. I haven't used that yet. It still closed. Another thing that I bought from Clinique that I feel like is a replacement for makeup wipes, but you know, your girl's gonna use both of them. Sometimes I just want to get it off right now. But this is something that when you're in like a good deep mood to just do your skincare, I got the cleansing oil by Clinique. I think this is gonna be revolutionary for my skin. Some more Fenty. I got her blushes, her cream blushes. I got one in Strawberry Drip and another one is Summertime Wine. This is what the color is supposed to look like. Kind of the same. This one's darker though. I need some blushes. So. Not least, I got a Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. You guys, I did not know that they had an eyeliner. Who knew that they had an eyeliner? Because I didn't. Okay, so that's it for Sephora. Next, let's go into Ulta, which I think is more skincare based as well. And then I got are some cotton pads, 200 to be exact, because I need them for my toners now. Like, I have toner now. I can't put it on my fingers because what if there's something left over? Then I gotta clean my face again. I wouldn't know without a cotton pad, you know. And then I got another cleanser. Don't know why I keep buying cleansers. I don't know which one works for me yet. I keep buying them. This one is by Kibosh or Dr. Robux. It says Kibosh, both of them. It's a weightless foaming cleanser, and I feel like that would be good for my dry skin. And then I got some Patchology Mood Patch Chill Mode cannabis seed infused eye gels. I have some eye gels, can't find them anymore, but I bought these because I was like, ooh, cooling. I like that. For my under eyes too, your girl's gonna be needing them for school because I'm gonna be going through it, staying up late nights. Oof, I'm not ready. Next that I got is, I think her name is Tracy. Tracy, I don't know her last name, but her name is Tracy. She has this brand called Pattern, you know, and I got the shampoo and conditioner in the small sizes because I want to try it. I got the one for really tight curls, heavy conditioner for coilies, and the shampoo is hydration. So NARS Orgasm blush. I've been meaning to get this for years now, and I finally got it, which is sad. Of her lip pigments in Star Woman, Somebody to Love, and Walk This Way. I would show you, but I don't feel like opening them. So I got 3 of those. Got another blush from ColourPop, and I got this one in Aloha. Come on. It's fine. And then last but not least, I got a prebiotic 3-in-1 multi-mist. It's supposed to replenish with prebiotics, dehydrate, primes, and sets makeup. I didn't read the last part, but I just saw hydration and I was like, I need that. By Murad. And this is like one of my top skincare brands. Even though I keep buying more, but when you look at my skincare, I have a lot of Murad. Okay, so that's all that I got from Ulta and Sephora. If you like this video, go ahead and comment and like and subscribe and tell me what if you tried anything from what I just shown. Let me know what works for you and what doesn't work for you, and if you want to try it at all, you know, just let me know. We're gonna be experimenting all semesters long, 2 semesters, get that straight, 2 semesters long. So I'm just saying. So my next video idea, let me know what you guys think, please let me know, is to show every single one of my phone cases. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't know that like every week or every month at least, at most, I buy a new phone case from the same company and other places as well. But let me know if you want to see all my phone cases, because I probably have about 15. We can review them too, let you know what I think about them all. Thanks for watching. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you comment and subscribe. Please join the family. We're close to 100. Once we get to 100, we're gonna party. Okay, we are going to party. Like, if I get on live on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, we're gonna go live and we're gonna party together. And then we're not gonna be able to save the video because Instagram won't let you save video with music, but we're still gonna party, okay? With my music. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.